Hey my friends, what's going on? It's Friday, you ain't got no job, pound that. Pow! So what's going on with you today? What's going on with your life? What's going on with your land? It's your boy Cater on a beautiful, beautiful day, my friends. So every Friday, what we do, guys, we make a video, we show you the process, what's working for us right now. So in this video today, guys, I'm about to tell you about this new business that I've been part of for about a week and a half now. I've already got paid twice. I spent about 35 bucks to get it, and I flipped the 35 into $1,800, 1,800 bucks. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the results. I'm gonna show you how I did it. Again, if you have not watched my video, definitely make sure you subscribe. In this video, even if you're already part of the company, you're gonna be able to learn something that you can actually take with you. I don't just wanna show you my results, but I always wanna show you something that you can take and build your business and take yourself to the next level, something that's gonna be valuable to you. So I'm gonna jump into the computer, show you the results, and I'm also gonna teach you something on how you could create the same results for yourself. Let's get it, let's go.
If you enjoyed this video but haven't subscribed,
press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hard, right? You go hard or you go home. You know what's gonna happen to yourself, guys. I can tell you can change your life. Alright guys, I'm online now. I'm in my computer. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the results for this week. I'm already logged in on top of the website. So let me go ahead and show you my results for this week right now, so you guys know this stuff rocks. They already sent me my check. And as you guys can see, let me make this a little bit bigger. The first weekend I did 851, and this week I did $1,054 off a $35 offer. I only spent 35 bucks. I think it was 47 to put everything together, and then that's all. And then now I've flipped 35 into this. Now I just want you to know I'm not the only one who's actually making this stuff happen. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the rest of the team, so you know that hey, Cater's not the only one, because there's actually duplication happening, and that's the cool part. There's people who's making a lot more than me. So if I look at my team, you can see my team is growing right now. You can see all those people that's already on the team. Now let's go into the Facebook group. When you join our team, you get access to our Facebook group, and this is the Facebook group here. I'm going to show you inside of the Facebook group that I'm part of. You can see other people that are winning. So let me scroll down. Go ahead and scroll down real quick so you guys can actually see this person just ranked. So shout out to Ahmed, just rank EVP Gold. This is where you have 3 people under you who already sponsored the 2. So let me scroll down real quick. Okay, so right now, 10 hours ago, this person already posts Dia Nesdi. He already posted his proof, and he did 6,000. If you guys could see, he did 6,000 out this week. Congratulations, my brother. 4,000 out the week before. Let's keep scrolling. You'll see some rock stars. You'll see some newbies. You'll see different results. You can see this person, Alicia Mimique. Shout out to Alicia Mimique. She did $44, you know? So let's go. Let's keep scrolling down. You'll see other people. Okay, Luis Sanchez. Luis made $433. His first week he did 88. This week he did 433. So you can see there's a variety of people. There's people who's winning big. There's people who's winning, you know, that's the first time making money. There's people who's coming in. There you go. Adriana Edwards. She's at $471 so far with income earned. So you can see inside of the group, we're welcoming people. All those pictures you're seeing, guys, we're welcoming people. So when you join, we'll welcome you inside of the group. And as you can see, people will be posting more and more money. And as they get paid, there's more commissions. This person did 54. So many people with different results. I can keep scrolling. We want you on board. Now I'm gonna teach you exactly how I did it so you can have the training. So let's jump back into the training. All right, guys. So here's what we're gonna be talking about in this video. All right. I want you to understand. This is this company that I've been part of, I was part of MCA, used to make these videos every Friday with MCA for my team. Now I'm doing MyEcon. This company is legitimately powerful. We've done many different trainings and webinars that shows you what's inside of the product and stuff like that. But I'm your marketing king. Like, I'm here to teach you how to market it, how to make money with it. Now, if you want to know about everything the company offer, I'm going to put a link down below. You can go in and explain to you what's inside of the product, inside of the company. Now, let's talk about if you're already inside or if you join my team or if you get it. How? Now, how can you flip that $35 into $1,800 and beyond and more? This is my second week. I'm going to do more, and I'm going to keep showing you and teach you exactly how to do it. So let's get into the training real quick. Now, first thing, we're going to be talking about your warm market. Whenever you join into something, last week I did a training, I talked about your warm market. Now let's talk about how you can get those people on board. Now, I haven't even promoted this stuff out yet to my cold market, which is when you don't pay traffic, people who's not used to your message, who's not used to you. That's going to be the first time they're going to see the thing. But first, whenever you join into a business, like people ask me all the time. I had a friend who came over to my house the other day and we were talking about affiliate marketing, how they can grow a business. How do they start? First, if you do anything with any network marketing business, the first thing they teach you is to go to your warm market, like make a list of your friends, make a list of your family member and stuff like that. But me, I'm a social media type of guy, right? I'm an online type of guy because on the internet, you know how many friends you're gonna have? Not that many, but on the internet, there's thousands of people. So we wanna focus on that. Now, if you just joined the company, what I did, I just went on Facebook, right? I went on Facebook and I inboxed the people that's on my Facebook. Hey, I joined into this new business. Would you like to check out the video? Boom, send them a message. Boom. I made a video. Some of you might have watched the video. So those are my warm market. So off my warm market, and I have a list. Now I'm gonna send it out to my list. I sent it to a portion, a section of my list that I've done business with already. I haven't sent it to my whole list. See, these are my warm markets. So first thing, you wanna start thinking, okay, well, I joined to this business. How many friends do I have on Facebook? Do you have 100? When I first started, I had only 100 friends on my Facebook. But now the goal is to blow it out. Take it to 5,000. How do you do that? How do you blow out your Facebook to get to 5,000 friends? Now, there's a strategy behind it. People say, hey, I don't want 5,000 friends, Kate. I'm not going to talk to them. That's okay. These people, they're going to be people that do business with you. It's all about eyeballs. It's about the following. You know, if you have a following, you have eyeballs, you can post, hey, I joined this new business. Who would like to join me? Then you have 10 people on your Facebook that say, hey, yeah, let's go, let's try it. On YouTube, I can say, yo, guys, I did $1,800 and I spent $35. And some of you say, hell yeah, let's go. But it took me some time to build that relationship with some of you. It took me time creating some content and help you. So therefore, you guys become the warm market. So you got to start thinking about it. If you promoting this business, if you want to grow this business, first you got to go to your warm market, okay, which is going to be your friends, your family, people that you know. But don't stay there because your warm market is so limited, right? It's so limited. If I just stay there with you guys that's on this channel, I'm limited. I'm always looking for the next wave. How can I market? How can I capitalize? How can I grow? Now you can grow for free and you can do the paid traffic, the paid way. So first we're going to start with Facebook. How do you do that? Okay, on Facebook, your goal in the next 6 months, blow it up. Blow it up to 5,000 friends. You want to add people that's in this marketing game, that's in your niche, whatever niche that you're part of. There's a tool that I use to do that. I'm going to put a link down below to the tool. This is how the tool works, okay? So the tool works, you'll find someone who's very, let's say that person, he's an icon into this niche, or he's someone that people follow. He's an authority into that niche. So if like someone like me, if I make a video, I have people that watch it on Facebook, I have people that likes it, I have people that comment. So you find someone who's authority. There's people that has thousands of people that follows them, that comments. So what the tool does for you, right? The tools would literally, you would select the post. It shows the post, right? This is the person's post. And then the tool will go and actually friend everybody who commented on there, because they are active people who's interested in whatever that person is talking about in your niche. So let's say your niche is make money online, like me, entrepreneurship and stuff like that. You know, I follow someone like Grant Cardone, pulls out a video, and I find all those people. That's if I didn't have any friends. Now I already max out my Facebook with 5,000 friends. So it's something I'm teaching you right now so that I can help you. So I'll follow all those people for you. and it's on automation. Then you can build a rapport, a relationship, send them a message. Hey, how you doing? There's many different tools that you can use like ManyChat that's gonna help you do the same thing on your fan page, kind of build a relationship on automation with people. See, when you come in the game, after you sign up for the business, now the key, you don't make money in signing up, right? You don't make money in signing up. You make money in learning how to market. You make money in understanding how to get traffic. So your sole goal, if you're a newbie, you just getting started, every single day, it's gonna be, how can I get traffic? How can I get people to my website? Now, your website is like a freaking country, right? It's a country, it's an island. Let's say your website is an island. It's this island that is set. And now you need people to come to the island. You need to establish bridge connection. People, like, island people go different ways. Like, a couple of weeks, me and my wife, we're actually gonna go on vacation on an island, okay? So there's many different ways people are coming to the island. There's people that's coming by boat, right? There's people that come in by airplane. There's people that has a bridge. They have a bridge. They driving to the island. And there's people that's maybe bicycle get to the island. People that's walking to the island. So you need to start thinking, how can I create all those connections to get people to come to my island? Like, when you have this business, this website now, your goal is, how do I get people? Now, when I first got started, I would do business cards. Now, those are some ways that you can get people. It's like walking versus flying. There's a couple different ways. I used to, go outside and give cards, business cards, but man, this is slow. Like, a lot of people don't want to do business. Everybody's trying to take care of their stuff, right? And then that was a way I was getting people, right? Then second way I was getting people, I was going on Craigslist and posting ads. That was a little bit better because people was looking for jobs. It was kind of targeted. So that's a different way. That's like driving. And then I got on YouTube, which is like flying. It's like people are coming every single day. They want to learn how to make money, on how to flip money. It's like, that's a different way of getting traffic. Then I jump on Facebook. It's like getting a jet, because Facebook has billions of people. Then I do paid traffic. It's like, yeah, paid traffic is really like getting a jet, really. So it's like, you put money, you put gas in it, and you get people flying. Facebook is flying people. So all the skill set, there's Bing ad, there's Facebook ads, there's so many different ways you can judge traffic. There's Instagram, there's Snapchat, I'm not even talking about. There's all the social media platforms. Think about it. You want all these people to come to your website in different avenue. LinkedIn. So start learning all these marketing streams, all these places that people are hanging. You want to take those people from there to go to your website and check what you have to offer and check what you got. See, when you start doing that now and you start building a following, you start building a list, guess what? Whatever you do, you will always have people to talk to. The reason I'm making this video is because I know you guys are gonna watch it and I have people to talk to. So therefore, I'm sharing with you, hey, I spent $35 on this offer and I made $1,800 on the first week for free. No paid traffic yet, no hitting up my big list yet, nothing. And it's a team built. So for those of you that actually get on my team now, you're gonna be able to benefit of the thing that I'm gonna train you. And then we're gonna be able to grow together, because we have people on the team right now that's already making 4,000, 5,000. People are growing, and the cool part is that I see newbie are winning. Everybody's winning because it's a team effort, and the way that it's built is so powerful. And what you get for the $35 is totally worth it already. And then put on top of the training that we provide on our team. And you're gonna see inside of our team, inside of our group, you're gonna see I'm not the only one winning. You'll see people posting the screenshot. Yo, today I made 4,000. Today I made 2,000. Today I made, it all depends. You'll have people who's at a higher level, and then you have people who's starting from the ground. See, when I'm making my videos, I'm thinking mostly about the guy who's starting off the ground, because you haven't made any money. You really want to take this stuff to the next level. I want to help you do that. So first thing, you want to blow out your Facebook, okay? You want to reach out. If you have 100 friends, reach out to all of them. Sometimes people have fear, like, oh my God, hey, if you ended up making $1,000 for the day, who you think is better off? Your friends who's going to criticize you for what you do, or you have a $800. If I was thinking about, oh, my friends are gonna think I joined this business, or you guys on YouTube is gonna think something. You can't think about what you want to build, your dreams, what you want to establish, your goals. You can't stop that just because of what people's gonna think about you, just because of their opinion. Because guess what? Everyone will have different opinion about you. Not everybody will like you. It's cool, right? But when you're trying to get to your goal, you do whatever you gotta do in spite of whatever other people will think. I'd rather apologize later then have the fear of not doing what I have to do when it comes to living my dreams, when it comes to getting somewhere. You know what I'm saying? So drop a comment if you truly understand where I'm going with this video. But guys, I really wanted to share the strategy with you, the stuff with you that's gonna enable you and help you take your business to the next level. Now, I'm looking to get people on my team, okay? If you're watching me on YouTube, this is a US-based offer only, so it's Friday, you ain't got no job. If you want to be part of the team, you want to make stuff happen, I'm looking to lock arm with you, make it happen. If you're a leader, if you're a newbie, I don't care. If you don't know how to market, we'll teach you how to market. And if you already know how to crush it, let's get on a team, man. Get on the team. Let's join together, lock force together. And we have a full Facebook group that's already excited. You can get your people in there. And if you already want to build your own stuff, I look forward to working with you. So I'm reaching out to you right now, letting you know right now what's going on, showing you some of the proof, showing you some of the results. Let's make a decision. Let's get on board. Let's go. That was your boy Cater. I'm put all the link in the description to join the team, all the link to the tool, everything that I'm using. I look forward to seeing you, working with you, rocking it with you. We're going to have an event together. It's going to be a blast. You guys know what's up. It's going to be down in Miami. Yeah, I'm looking to see all of you guys. It's going to be massive. Let's go. That was your boy Cater. I'll see you guys later. Take action.